We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more unclear words in English. How do you go about pronouncing this one? For reference, this is a word of French origin. In French, it is said as Pipette, Pipette. Maybe this explains why in English this is normally pronounced as Pipette, Pipette. Pretty straightforward once you know. British and American pronunciations are rather similar as Pipette, Pipette. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.